What's the first thing that comes to mind when you think about Canada? Maybe it's snow-covered mountains, a warm plate of poutine, or the sound of hockey skates slicing across the ice. But one symbol stands above all the rest, the maple leaf. And of course, there's the red and white Canadian flag that proudly waves over everything from schools to hockey arenas. In this video, we're going to dive into the stories behind these iconic symbols, how they came to represent Canada, and what makes them so special. Let's uncover the roots of the maple leaf and the flag, and why they matter to Canadians today. Brought to you by Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work. Discover the full range of what we offer at supersimplesheets.com. Section 1. The maple leaf, a natural symbol. The maple leaf has been a symbol of Canada for centuries, long before the country even existed. Indigenous peoples in the region used maple sap as a source of food and medicine, and the trees became an important part of life. By the time French settlers arrived in the 1600s, they noticed the same thing. Maple trees were everywhere, and they were incredibly useful. Fast forward to the 1800s, and the maple leaf started appearing in poetry, songs, and even on military badges. In 1868, when Canada officially became a country, the maple leaf was already being celebrated as a national emblem. Soldiers fighting in World War I even wore maple leaf badges on their uniforms, which made the symbol even more meaningful. Today, the maple leaf can be found everywhere in Canada. It's on coins, government logos, and of course the flag. But why the maple tree? Well, Canada is home to 10 different types of maple trees, and the sugar maple, in particular, produces the sap that becomes the world-famous maple syrup. No wonder it became such a beloved symbol. Section 2. The story of the Canadian flag. Now let's talk about the flag, one of the most recognizable in the world. Believe it or not, Canada didn't always have its own flag. For a long time, Canadians used Britain's Union Jack or the Red Ensign, a flag that included a small Union Jack in the corner. But as Canada grew more independent, people began calling for a unique design that represented the country and its values. The journey to create the flag we know today wasn't easy. There were debates, arguments, and hundreds of designs to choose from. Finally, in 1964, a committee decided on a simple but striking design: a red maple leaf in the center with two bold red bars on either side. The white background was chosen to symbolize peace and neutrality, while the red came from Canada's ties to Britain. The flag was officially raised for the first time on February 15, 1965, at Parliament Hill in Ottawa. It was an exciting moment, as Canadians finally had a flag they could call their own. Since then, it's become a powerful symbol of unity, pride, and Canadian identity. Section 3. Fun facts and real examples. The maple leaf and the Canadian flag are more than just symbols. They're part of everyday life. Every year, Canadians produce millions of liters of maple syrup, exporting it to countries around the world. In fact, Quebec alone produces over 70% of the world's supply. Next time you drizzle syrup on your pancakes, you're enjoying a piece of Canada's heritage. As for the flag, it's a symbol you'll see almost everywhere. It's flown on the backpacks of Canadians traveling abroad, stitched onto hockey jerseys, and displayed proudly during national holidays like Canada Day. Even at the Olympics, athletes carry the flag as a sign of unity and pride. One of the most famous moments was in 1972 during the Summit Series hockey game, when Paul Henderson scored the winning goal, and the Canadian team waved the flag in celebration. Conclusion. The maple leaf and the Canadian flag aren't just symbols, they're stories of Canada's history, identity, and pride. They connect Canadians to their land, their values, and each other, whether it's through the sweet taste of maple syrup or the sight of a red and white flag waving in the wind. So, the next time you see a maple leaf, or the Canadian flag, remember the journey it took to become such a beloved part of Canada's story. They're more than just images, they're a reminder of what it means to be Canadian. Thanks for watching. Simplify your teaching journey with Super Simple Sheets. Across Canada, we're known for our ready-to-use, curriculum-aligned worksheets. Dive into our educational solutions at supersimplesheets.com. Super Simple Sheets. From coast to coast, worksheets that work.